This is actually a really clever little backpack strap mount. So you have this really nice little strap mount here that will go around your backpack strap and Velcro tight in there. And you can see it has your action mount, and it does come with an action mount that you can pop on, and it gives you these action fingers where you can also use that to put on any kind of there's like a screw thread that you can hook up to it, and different angles that you'd want to get. You can adjust it how you'd want. And you can also get some really good POV shots as well. So like hands-free, just you're hiking or something like that, and you want to be hands-free with your GoPro capturing what's in front of you. That works great for that. But it's really strong and it works great. It's just so fast too. If you want to take this thing off, you can just un-Velcro it and then pop this thing back on. No need to kind of fumble with any screws on that. So it works great, it looks great, and it's high quality, especially when you see the inside of it, and how it's got some good grip to it as well, just for the inside, like holding on to the backpack strap. So really like it a lot, and it works great. So if you're looking for something like this, highly recommend this one right here, and thanks for watching.